Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tetsuo token. Now this token just got a big central exchange listing. This is a very popular token right now. We're going to be going over the information on the Tetsuo token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token listed on SolScan. Now, if you are looking for the chart and the price and all the statistical information, you can find it on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. This token was actually, somebody requested in the comments that I do a video on this token. I was actually looking at it earlier because I saw it got listed on a big central exchange today. Now, there's 13,220 holders so far. Very popular project. Right now, though, it is down 33%, so it kind of took a dive today. It's a brand new token, just came out yesterday. So the pair was created on Raydium 1 day, 10 hours ago. It's trending number 25 in the Solana section right now on Dex Screener. And yeah, so they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Right now it is total and circulating supply 999.99 tokens. And they do have a good quick audit here on Dex Tools by Quick Intel Security. It says contract verified, no honeypots, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, contract is not freezable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, obviously, that is just a quick audit. Now, it says in the past 7 days, and the token only came out a day and a half ago, it is up a total of 14,013%. So in general, this token is way up. But yeah, just today it's down 34%, it says on Dex Screener. Now, it was just announced on Twitter here. It says XT will be listing the Shiro token, which I just did a video on. The Shiro token is available today on OurBit, XT.com, MEXC Global. There's some referral codes for those in the description box down there. But this token, the Tetsuo coin, got listed with Shiro today in the Innovation Spot Trading Zone, December 3rd, 7 a.m. UTC time on XT.com or XT Exchange. So one way to get the Tetsuo token is to download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at XT.com. Go into the trade section after you fund your account with USDT, search TETSUO, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if XT.com is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange, you can also get this token off of Raydium by, first of all, their Twitter. I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. You see that they have the contract address right there, and it is at 7ETSUO. It says Cyberpunk Ethos C and ASM Wizard, and then it has here, it says Tetsuo Soul Community Token, and has the contract address right there, so it's real easy to find it. First of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens, so you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your soul for this token using the contract address you can find right there on that Twitter. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. And this token may also be available on other dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, and they might get some more central exchange listings as well. That's why it's a good idea to follow the Twitter here. 54,500 Twitter followers. Big following there. So they have 5,352 tweets. If you go over to the webpage, c-asm.com, it says Tetsuo funding the future of low-level systems. Then it has the contract address, and it says right here they have over 32,000 developers, 3 core technologies, and over $10,000 in development funds. So there's C programming. It says system-level optimizations and performance-critical applications, assembly, hardware-level efficiency and low-level system control, and machine learning. So optimized ML implementations and artificial intelligent toolkit development. And it says, for developers, we are actively funding innovative projects in C, assembly, and machine learning. Join our community of builders creating the future of low-level systems. And you can submit your project. There is a GitHub at the bottom of the screen, developer section, about section, and their Twitter all linked on the webpage. That's basically it for the webpage. In their pinned tweet, they have here, it says, built an app that takes long format videos and creates viral-ready clips. The tool uses magic code and the XAI API, which is Grok, to identify the best segments, then adds synchronized subtitles, and creates perfect 1 to 3 minute clips ready to post on X. The subtitles are so accurate that they ignore speaker errors, such as in the clip where the professor says, one, well, better make that different, as well as filler words like ugh, etc. In the future, the app will also allow users to stylize subtitles, download full videos to clip from URLs like YouTube or X, add background music, and post clips directly to social media. Clips that are generated in comments. So, super cool. And then this token, besides being down 37% today, has a 24-hour trading volume of $43.2 million. They have a market cap of $12.8 million, trending number 25. Token price is about 1.28 cents per token. They have $780,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 96.41% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. They have 11 different liquidity providers, 13,311 holders. And like I said earlier, token only came out one day, 11 hours ago. And they already have a community takeover as well here. So it says a community claimed ownership for this token December 2nd. I started this coin, and you can verify this on x.com. It says that's the community claim. And yeah, so it says Tetsuo is a developer-focused project building foundational tools and funding innovations in low-level systems development, backed by a community of 32,000 C, assembly, and machine learning developers. 30 million tokens locked until December 2025 via Steam flow. Development focus includes C programming, optimizations, assembly-level implementations, machine learning systems, and low-level blockchain tooling. Website in development. And then they have a bunch of links and stuff like that. But you can check this all out on SoulScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye. Check out the Twitter there. Check out the webpage. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.